How to verify your Paybis account.
After signing up with your email and phone number, our system may request you to pass the verification to complete the transaction. First, you'll need to upload a picture of your document based on the type of ID selected. Or take one on the spot. Click Next when you're ready to continue. The next step is a presence check, or some call it video selfie. Click Get Started and follow the instructions on the screen. Finally, you'll need to fill in your billing address details and click Next to submit your verification. Now our systems will verify all the information you've provided. For most clients, the process takes less than 5 minutes. Well done! You're ready to explore the potential of your verified account. Paybis, the place where fiat meets crypto.